6. Do we need more laws? Earlier in 1967, a group of Black Panthers staged an invasion of the California Assembly Chamber in Sacramento. This invasion served no purpose for the Black Panthers. It certainly made them unpopular, but it did result in a gun law, the Mulford Act, which provides a year's imprisonment or a $1,000 fine for anyone found with a loaded gun in his possession on any public street or highway. This law, people were assured, was only aimed at preventing similar occurrences and would not affect innocent people. Before the summer was over, the first arrest under the Mulford Act was made. Senator John G. Smith, who fought against the bill, described this arrested man. He was a good citizen with an unblemished record who was a Republican candidate for the state legislature in last year's election. This man drives to work every morning at 4 a.m. His route takes him through areas of Los Angeles where the crime rate is high and riots threaten. For his own protection, he carries a gun in plain view on the front seat of his car. His ammunition is a clip attached to the gun, but he has no round in the chamber. On August 16th, this man was arrested and charged with violating the Mulford Act. It wasn't the intention of Assemblyman Mulford and the supporters of AB 1591 to penalise this kind of man, but their bill has done so, just as all gun control legislation hurts good citizens. But this is not all. Assemblyman Crown now plans to secure enactment of a stricter gun law, one which will, among other things, require the registration of all guns. End quote. The more laws we pass, the more we hinder and harm good citizens. Our problem isn't a shortage of laws. We have laws enough for every kind of crime. Our problem is a lack of Christian faith and character, and no law can supply that. If passing more laws could cure our problem, then we should ask Congress and the state legislature to sit in lengthy session and pass laws to end all problems. But laws can grow no food, yet they can hinder the farmer who grows food. Laws can make no man a Christian, but some laws can penalise godly men. Laws cannot end poverty, but some laws are encouraging the poor to be parasites. No law can lengthen a man's life, but unjust laws can destroy a man's peace, happiness, and life. God cursed the land of Egypt with a series of plagues. We are now being cursed by a plague of laws, which the pharaohs of Washington and Sacramento are inflicting upon us. Do we need more laws? God forbid. We need more righteousness, more freedom, and more godly men and fewer laws.